Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. There we go. First you get an instruction manual. This is a 2-pack of solar lights. They are waterproof string lights. I should say water resistant. We'll take a look at that here in a second. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. Now they do come in different colors. There's like a warm white, there's a cold white, etc. Again, it's a 2-pack. I'm just going to open one of them so you can see it. I was talking about water resistance. It's a rubber hose housing, which will basically protect the lights from any kind of water, weather elements, etc. And then each set of string lights is connected to its own solar panel. There's an on-off button on the back, and then there's a mode to adjust it between the different modes. You get a mounting bracket, pretty simple. You can put that in. You'll attach this to the back. It's got a locking mechanism, so you actually have to push it down, then slide it on, and then it will lock it into place. They have a film over the top, but it's actually got like a sticky film, so I might have to clean that a little bit. Anyway, 2 of them in the instruction manual. So I thought it might be beneficial to actually turn on the lights and let you see the 8 different modes of options you've got with regards to the bulbs. Very simple. You've got 2 buttons on the back. You've got a power button and you've got a mode button. You can actually keep these things out charging. You don't have to have them come on every night if you don't want to. You can simply turn the power off, it'll charge, keep it charged, and then when you want to use them, you just simply turn them on. I'm going to turn it on. There's 8 different modes. I should mention that each set of cables that it comes with, you get 2 of them. Each one is 33 feet long, so you've got a lot of lights that this set provides. I'm going to go ahead and turn them on and we'll go through the 8 different modes. So that's the first one, and now I'm just going to go through each one. As you hear me click, you'll know I'm switching to a different mode. Anyway, that shows you the 8 different modes. I hope the video helps.